Windows, we have a song today. It's called Weevily Wheat. And I want you to see why we don't want something in here. See if you can figure out why. Here it goes. Here we go. Can you come to my pattern while we do it? We're just keeping a steady beat. Don't want your Weevily Wheat. Don't want your barley. Take some flour in half an hour and bake a cake for Charlie. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times 8 is 40. Oh, did you figure out what we didn't want this time? If you said we didn't want their wheat, you're right. We don't want their wheat. Did you figure out why we don't want their wheat? Because it was Weevily. And if you have heard of this before, there's something called a weevil. It's a type of bug. So we don't want their buggy wheat. We want some good wheat that is not having bugs in it. So see if you can do that part for me and keep that beat. 1, 2, ready and go. Don't want your Weevily Wheat. Don't want your barley. Take some flour in half an hour and bake a cake for Charlie. Alright, so you've heard me doing some multiplication. It was my 5s. I said to start with 5 times 5. And then I went up a number each time. So we went 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times 8 is 40. So, during that part, see if you can learn the tune to that real quick. Here it goes. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times 8 is 40. Can you do that pattern for me? We're going to go like this time. Ready and go. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times 8 is 40. Alright, so during that part, you do that this time. And during that A section where we're singing about the Weevily Wheat, do our other pattern. 1, 2, ready and go. Don't want your Weevily Wheat. Don't want your barley. Take some flour in half an hour and bake a cake for Charlie. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times 8 is 40. Now, we're going to go back. We're going to repeat that. And we're going to add in some other multiplication. We're going to have 5 times 9, 5 times 10, 5 times 11, and 5 times 12. So 5 times 9, that was 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. And 5 times 12 is, you guessed it, 60. So see if you can do all that all the way through. And when we get to our multiplication, remember to go pat out, pat out. Got it? Let's see if we can do it. Ready and go. Don't want your Weevily Wheat. Don't want your barley. Take some flour in half an hour and bake a cake for Charlie. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times 8 is 40. Don't want your Weevily Wheat. Don't want your barley. Take some flour in half an hour and bake a cake for Charlie. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. And 5 times 12 is 60. Alright, so during those multiplication facts, in the real game, you're not going to be doing that. For the don't want your Weevily Wheat, you were doing the exact same thing you're going to do. But now we're going to take it up a notch for that part. So, for this part, it works easier if you have your cup set up in a circle. And then if you're going from the side that's farthest from you first. So, what's going to happen is we're going to stack our cups, but we're going to do it to that beat. So we're going to have pick, place, pick, place, pick, place, pick, place. Just like that. So I'm going to get my set back up so we can try that. And here we go. Ready and go. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times 8 is 40. And it would kind of look like that. You might choose to do your top cup in a little bit different place. But you'll kind of have to have 2 cups to make it go up and hold the cup up. Now, when you come down, we're going to put them back down in reverse order. And we're going to make our circle back. So we have 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. And 5 times 12 is 60. And then we're back to where we started. So let's see if we can put that all together. Here we go. If you need to practice this, but this is hard to do, please take some time to do it. Ready and go. Don't want your Weevily Wheat. Don't want your barley. Get some flour in half an hour and bake a cake for Charlie. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times 8 is 40. Don't want your Weevily Wheat. Don't want your barley. Get some flour in half an hour and bake a cake for Charlie. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. And 5 times 12 is 60. Keep practicing until you can get it. I hope you have fun practicing. Enjoy. Bye.